Last winner, Mr. Haskins. You won number 11. Okay, so you got yourself a mirror Desert Teak 33-inch round mirror. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do a last call on our names. Oh, these are the so we go to the next batch actually. You already called those names once. All right, next names. Mary the Blackpink. Olyul Niratagi. Ngarokl Albert. Ngarokl S. Albert. Patrick Moses. Sam Saunders. Agustino Blailes. Masao Miyozawa. Naomi Wei B. And Anwar. All right? Stage. There we go, the last 2 eggs on that basket. And you guys go ahead and open it towards the screen. Over there. To your right. All right, number 14. You get yourself a plant stand Boulevard Cafe Black. A plant stand, all right, for your plants. Is that this one right here? And then Patrick, you won number 20. Whoa. Microwave. Night Rider from EPFM. All right. Next 10 names. Oh, actually, that was the last one for that round, right? Okay, that was the last one for that round. And then this time, we're gonna do a bit of a game. This one is called Treasure Hunt. All right, for the kids, for the grown-ups, you bring this item to the stage, okay? If you bring it from the store, you have to make sure to buy it, get the receipt, and then show it. If it's outside of the store, you don't need to do that. Here we go. The first 5 people to bring this to my podium right now will win a prize. First 5 people to bring it, Bobby Beard right here. Or actually, right here. 10, 9, 8, Courtney. bobby pins. What do you do with bobby pins? Don't worry, don't worry. There we go, there we go. You can have it back there. Okay, bobby pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. No bobby pins. All right, okay, there we go. 4 prizes for these 4 winners. Congratulations. We're gonna make it even more harder next time. All right, so get ready. Like I said, get your receipts ready, because we're gonna get tougher on the next round of Treasure Hunt. What? You get a chair? Wow, congratulations. Gentlemen, we're getting ready for the next 10 days, the next prizes. We got lots of prizes. Surangel Magaisao, Ariel Ribay, Mary Hope Mirasta, Rowena Nginalmamo, Melanche Pedro, Matsumi Taro, Yasuo Lito Fredo Esquivel, Caroline Yaswe, Wina Humalai. Oh, that's the second time I've said that name. Javanta Vega. All right. All right. If you guys stop by Shop Time, they got some great refreshing drinks. One of my favorites is the Taro Frosty. All right, can you read out the names one more time? Jovanka Vega, Wina Gumalai, Caroline Yaswe, Lito Fredo Esquivel, Matsumi Taro, Melanche Pedro, Rowena Nirangmaku, Mary Hope Niraska, okay? And again, because these are the first 10 names of this round, they get 5 minutes. The next ones that come in, we're going to read them once. So if you hear your name, please make your way to the stage ASAP.
If you ever change your mind, what about leaving me behind? Oh, bring it to me with your sweet loving. Bring it on home to me. Yeah, yeah. You know I laugh, you laugh, but now I know I only hurt myself. Baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet love and bring it on home, please. Yeah.
We got Lito Frito and Jovanka are going to go ahead and choose a egg and find out what is their prize. So right there, guys, is the camera. You look at the camera and you just open your prize and you let us know what your number is. Okay, Jovanka, you won number 27. And 27 is a Samsung 2.1 sound bar. Wow. Okay, and then Lito, you won number 29. You get a 6 feet, 36 spring coil trampoline. Congratulations! Big round of applause, everybody. Big round of applause.
Strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I've been alright up till now.
20 seconds already left on the clock. That means we need 10 rings.
And when the night falls, my lonely heart calls. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Ooh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Here we go. You know the next 10 names. Rosemary Marseille. Mirail Lydia Chanson. Noel M. Reyes. Oakley Helen. Vince Blayo. Bacala Teresa Doxiel. Reynelda Beltao. Yuriko Becerra. Albertul Angeline Albert. Clarence Masayos. Right, if you hear your names, you gotta hurry up and get to the stage. We're on the stage, so we're on St. Cloud. Make your way to the stage ASAP. Okay. Clarence Masayos. Congratulations. Hang on to that.
Now that I lost everything to you, you say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart to leave. Baby, I'm grieving. If you wanna leave, take good care. I hope you got a lot of nice things to wear, but there were maybe nice things to wear out there. Oh, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just a once in a while. Oh, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember you like a child. No, I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two.
All right, next names.
Never wanna see you sad, girl. Don't be a bad girl. If you wanna leave, take good care. I hope you make a lot of nice friends out there. But remember, there's a lot of bad everywhere. Oh, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just a once in a while.
Here are the next names.
Baby, it's a wild
Airby Xavier Matsutaro. Francisco Gibson. Lawinda Mates. Oywil Nora. Nora Oywil. Marian E. Lamango. Noah Sarayu. Magpayo Maricar G. Vernice Yuchi. Vernice Yuchi. Yuchi Vernice. Genaro Aloysia. Amen. Genaro Aloysia Peloy. Dia dapat kumot ng Eileen